Apple is gearing up to launch the Apple Watch Ultra 3 later this year, 2 years after the previous model. While no major design changes are expected, a series of internal upgrades are on the way. By the time the Ultra 3 is announced in September, it will have been 2 years since the last model, leaving plenty of room for improvements. One of the biggest rumored features is blood pressure monitoring. Unlike traditional blood pressure cuffs, this feature won't provide exact systolic and diastolic measurements, but will track trends and alert users if hypertension is detected. Since high blood pressure is often symptomless, early detection could save lives. The Apple Watch already detects atrial fibrillation, takes ECG readings, and monitors blood oxygen levels, though this feature is currently disabled in the US due to patent issues. Apple has been developing blood pressure tracking for years, and it may finally debut in the Ultra 3. Another expected upgrade is an improved display. Last year's Apple Watch Series 10 introduced LTPO3 OLED technology, offering a faster refresh rate and a live ticking seconds hand on select watch faces. It also features a wide-angle OLED, making it up to 40% brighter when viewed at an angle. Given that the Ultra series is Apple's premium smartwatch, it's likely the Ultra 3 will incorporate these advancements. Performance-wise, the Ultra 3 is expected to receive a new chip. The current model features the S9 chip, while the Series 10 introduced the S10, which is more compact. If Apple opts for an S11, it could bring improved performance or free up internal space for a larger battery. Satellite connectivity is another rumored feature. Initially introduced in iPhones for emergency messaging, iOS 18 expanded it to allow regular texts over satellite. With the Apple Watch Ultra catering to hikers, scuba divers, and adventurers, satellite connectivity would provide an extra layer of safety. While Apple currently doesn't charge for satellite service, future pricing remains uncertain. Apple is also making changes to its modem technology. Reports suggest the company will replace Qualcomm modems with MediaTek units, which support 5G RedCap, a more efficient 5G service designed for wearables. This could mark the first time an Apple Watch supports 5G, as current models still use 4G LTE. Another likely upgrade is the back casing design. The Apple Watch Series 10 introduced a re-engineered metal back with a larger charging coil and an integrated antenna, leading to better cellular performance and faster charging. The Ultra 2 currently features a ceramic and sapphire crystal rear, but adopting the Series 10's metal design could improve connectivity and allow the Ultra 3 to charge faster, potentially reaching 80% in just 30 minutes compared to the Ultra 2's 60 minutes. With all these potential upgrades, blood pressure monitoring, a better display, a new chip, satellite connectivity, a 5G modem, and faster charging, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be a significant improvement. Will these features be enough to make you upgrade? Let us know in the comments.